All right, this is a continuation of 4.3 part 1 or part A or whatever. Okay, so this is just more examples. Now, if you feel like you've got it after the last video, you do not need to watch this. Just go ahead and go start your homework. Okay, so for this one, we have x minus 1 and x cubed minus x squared minus 2x plus it. All right. Now, we want to know what can we multiply x by to get x cubed? Well, that would be x squared. So we take x squared and we multiply it by x minus 1. We get x cubed minus x squared. Okay, now we're going to subtract this, so we change the signs. That goes away. Negative x squared plus x squared, those both go away. So I'm going to go ahead and bring both of these two down. So this is just 0 and 0, so minus 2x plus 8. Okay, now what do we multiply x by to get negative 2x? Well, that would just be a minus 2. So when I do that, and I multiply negative 2 by x minus 1, I would get negative 2x plus 2. Okay, and then when I subtract it, I change this to a plus, this to a minus. That goes away. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, so our answer here would be x squared minus 2 plus 6 over x minus 1. All right, let's do this last example here. All right, let's write this out. X squared minus x plus 1. And then we have, remember, we have to do the 0x cubed here. X to the 4th plus 0x cubed plus 2x squared minus x plus 5. Okay, so what do I multiply x squared by to get x to the 4th? That's just x squared. So when I take x squared and multiply it by this entire trinomial, I get x to the 4th minus x cubed plus x squared. Okay, now I go and I subtract them, so minus, plus, and a minus. Those go away. I'm left with x cubed plus x squared minus x. Okay, so now I look, what do I multiply x squared by to get x to the 3rd? And that's just an x. So x times x squared minus x plus 1 is x cubed minus x squared plus an x. Okay, and then I subtract them, and when I subtract, I change the signs. Okay, so x cubed minus x cubed, those go away. X squared plus x squared is a 2x squared, minus x is a minus 2x. I bring down the 5. Okay, so now what do I multiply? I multiply this by 2, and I get 2x squared minus 2x plus 2, and I subtract them, so change all the signs. That goes away. I'm left with, just a 3. So this would be this plus 3 over x squared minus x plus 1. This would be it.